Have you been looking to be on Georgian Bay without all of the complexities, putting in the dock, pulling out the dock, worrying about the dock, all the dock maintenance, keeping up with the hydrangeas? If you're looking to be on the water, but turnkey, maybe you like to go to Florida in the winter, then this condo townhouse is the absolute perfect opportunity for you in the heart of Midland. So here we are outside of 155 William Street, Unit 12. Tons of visitor parking. You got so much space here. It's all municipal services, municipal water, sewer, high-speed internet, natural gas. This is a townhouse, a condo complex. You can see it's all interlocked everywhere. Got in-ground sprinkler systems. All the grounds are manicured by the property maintenance, the roof, the windows, all managed. The docks are maintained also. So this is very much a turnkey, lock the door, go to Florida. Neighbors, you can see hydrangeas, all very well maintained, manicured. This is very much a retirement kind of vibe. Again, you can lock the door, go to Florida, not have to worry. Maybe you're a little bit older. Step inside here. I want to take you out to the dock. And then this is your outdoor space. So there's shore power, water on the dock. Beautiful view. This is the dock slip that comes included in the property. We can even negotiate in the boat. Super calm day today. Winds are coming from the east. See, it's a very picturesque location. There's the unit there with the blue umbrella. So everything's maintained. You can see protected from the prevailing winds. You can get a 40-foot boat in here. The largest that an owner's had is a 39-footer. You can get a boat with a 12-foot beam without any issues through the gap there. This lifestyle is absolutely attainable and affordable in this market. Hopefully this has been an informative tour, and I look forward to connecting in the future. All right, let's go take a look inside. Nice large entryway. Got slate tile. Good size. Got two formal front hall closets. One of the things about this condo townhouse is there is a ton of storage. So it really feels like a house, not a condo. Here's your front hall. You've got a two-piece bathroom for right when you walk in. If you've got guests, there's no awkwardness from the noise into the kitchen or the common space. So here's a bedroom. It's got a Murphy bed built in on the main floor. Let's see, nice hardwood floors, timeless classic. So if your partner likes to watch a different TV program than you, they've got their own sitting space here at the front of the house. Nice big bay window. There's the garage. Marble countertops, the bathroom. Nice big mirror. Now the appliances in this place are Thermador high-end and a Sub-Zero fridge. So there's your gas range. Really super large island here. Again, for a condo, you've got very much an entertainer's kitchen. You can be cooking in here. Little built-in office. Again, this slate floor kind of comes throughout. You've got your wine fridge. Got your microwave built in, so you don't have that eyesore on the top of the counter. You can see that Sub-Zero is built in. Dishwasher, double oven, all high-end appliances. Lighting fixtures to match. Matching countertops on the desk. Lots of storage. What's nice about this condo is it's an end unit and it's about 1,000 square feet larger than most of them in here. So you have not only the big kitchen, but you actually get a formal dining space when people come over. So what's kind of neat about this is if you're doing family style dinners, you can put the full spread out there and then, you know, serve yourself kind of style. Come over here, sit at the harvest table. So that's a really large table. Does not consume the space, still lots of room for a hutch. If you had a smaller dining room set. Head out here, get your Juliet balcony from the main floor, and there's your view. The boat with the black bimini is the slip for this unit, so it's right off the end of the patio. Beautiful view today. Now it does face west, so you do get your sunsets right here, but you also get a bit of that sunrise glow off the balcony here. So it's the best of both worlds. And there's a chance to see the retaining wall from this side, keeping these boats nice and safe. So it's the same hardwood throughout as that front den slash bedroom. High ceilings in here, coffered look. Crown molding, done very nicely. There's your natural gas fireplace. Very nice sitting space. And the view from your front chair, it swivels. It's quite breathtaking. This is my favorite spot of the house right here. You can see everything, you can see the water, you can see the house, you can talk to your family members, your friends when they come over. It's a very inviting space. Take you upstairs. Again, carrying this hardwood floor through. These clients preferred carpet. That was their preferred choice. Some people like hardwood, some people like carpet. They like the softness on their feet when they wake up. Take you into the primary first. So that is a king size bed, big furniture, bedroom set furniture, and still tons of space to walk around. What's unique about this one is it's got kind of that porthole style windows, high ceilings, kind of gives you that nautical theme. Another walkout here from the bedroom. There are phantom screens on all of these windows. Have your morning coffee up here, small chair. come out, get a good breath of fresh air, reconnect to nature, get grounded before you start your day, those first few minutes in the morning. Great size walk-in with built-ins. Tons of storage here. There's your attic hatch. Great R value in these. And then here's your primary ensuite. So you got your jacuzzi soaker tub. You got your makeup station. Frosted glass for privacy, but you can still see the water. And then you've got your double vanity, or single vanity, but double wide, so you can put lots of stuff, his and hers. And then you got a nice walk-in shower with a bit of a frosted glass. It's a really nice sized vanity, easy to get in and out of, very well kept. 2 bedrooms on the top floor. Got a good closet. And then a smaller linen closet. And your main bathroom, very similar fit and finish. Good sized mirror, glass walk-in, shower, very well cared for. And then into the spare bedroom. This is also a king size bed. You can see there's still lots of room for large end tables. Good size window. It's got its own closet here. It's got that same carpet carried throughout. I'm sure the next person will likely change it to hardwood floors, but this one's also got it built in. So, fantastic for storage. Really tall ceilings here, really airy, extremely well kept. The pride of ownership from this seller is very evident. They take care of this place. And we'll head downstairs. So downstairs carries that same theme of hardwood and carpet. But these sellers elected to do cork floor. So it's really warm. Doesn't feel like a basement. Warm to the feet. They've done this beautiful built-in. So gas fireplace. But this built-in here is absolutely beautiful. Surround sound, all built in. See the craftsmanship on this built-in was done very well. Seamless. There's the patio. Now they've put these like cottage style swings as the sit-up bar. But this is a full kitchen down here, fridge, stove. So if you did have family coming, they could have their own space downstairs and kind of entertain themselves. But this is a really cool space for entertaining because, hey, when you got a boat, you live on the water, people tend to gravitate to your home as the meeting spot. So you can see lots of room here for a little table if you want to have another little dining room set down here. Built-ins, stereo, beautiful space. and then step outside here. Again, we've got phantom screens on all of these doors and windows. So here's the view from your patio. Privacy screens in between. Now, all these people are like-minded, certainly more of a retirement age group. Some head down to Florida. This is very much summer home vibes because it's turnkey. You don't have to do any of the maintenance. You don't have to do any dock repairs. It's all covered in the maintenance fees. Absolutely beautiful. Lots of privacy, being an end unit. Everything's built up. Mature. Step back inside here. Again, lots of space. This cork floor was a really good idea. It's the same carpet carried throughout. Now they've got this as a bedroom. There's formally no closet on this one, but that's a queen size bed. Lots of natural light coming in here. And then it's got its own two-piece bathroom, same kind of fit and finish. And then into your mechanical room slash storage room slash laundry space. So there's your laundry. Lots of storage. Mechanical's very well taken care of down here. Furnace has been upgraded. AC. It's got a little reverse osmosis system. There's your panel. It's 100 amp fuses. There's a security system in this house. Very well cared for. Dehumidifier, or humidifier I should say. And then for anybody that's wondering what this is, in Midland and Penetang, after the Walker tin issue with coli, they put backflow valves on the municipal water, which created a lot of pressure in the houses. So this is a bladder that essentially relieves the pressure in the lines so that when that backflow airlocks, you get some pressure in the line. And then there's your hot water tank. It's gas, it's rented. You can see this house is very well preserved. Step down to the dock. Again, you could have, instead of paying for Bayport across the way, just on the other side there, you could have your boat right at the end of your property to start living. You can see it's got a really nice, charming vibe to the outside. Get your kayak, get your canoe, hop on the boat, hop on the Sea-Doo, and head out. Now, what's unique about this property specifically is not only do you have sunrises here, but you are chasing the sunsets on this side. So absolutely fantastic opportunity. If you're looking to join the Waterfront crew on Georgian Bay, text HOME to 705-433-2525 and let's get the conversation started.